Hello guys, welcome to the trendyblog.net. In this video, let us check out the Sony CH720N noise cancellation headphones. Now these are really cool headphones which give you a 360-degree sound and also are noise cancelling. Also they offer really good battery life. So I have been using these headphones for close to 3 weeks now, and here is my quick review of the same. So price order on the box is $14,990, but you can get a bit cheaper online. Link to purchase will be in the description. Now you can see the key features on the back of the headphone box, which are noise cancellation, 3-minute charge, plays up to 60-minute equalizer, hands-free, phone calls, etc. Quickly unboxing the box pack, here's what you get, and this tells how to turn it on, etc. And this is packed neatly inside a pouch like this, and here you also get a cable. Other than that, we don't have anything else. So inside the box you get the 3.5mm headphone jack, charging cable, headphone, and some user manuals. So the best part about this headphone that I've been using, I like it, is it's lightweight. It's very light. I've been using it for 7 to 8 hours continuously, and I don't feel it having on me. So these are the headphones. They're built really well. Seems to be really good quality material. And to the sides you can see we have the buttons for volume rockers and turn on button, and the active noise cancellation activate button. And to the other side we have the headphone port, charging port, and the power button. Quality wise, this looks quite good. I have used this for some time, and these are really soft and they are quite comfortable all throughout day. I have worn these headphones for 7 to 8 hours continuously, and I didn't have any discomfort at all. These are quite lightweight as well. They don't feel very heavy. Talking in terms of music quality, it's really good. The sound is balanced. The bass, treble, highs and mids, everything is equally good, and it's a really good entry level active noise cancellation headphones from Sony. And you can press this button, turn the power on, and it will go into pairing mode now. If you press it for a few more seconds, the headphone is in pairing mode now, and you can connect it to your smartphone. I've connected it and I've used it. Overall, you should definitely buy these headphones if you're looking to purchase a good Sony headphones with active noise cancellation and good battery life, so you can use it. Although it claims to have a 35 hours battery life, but I have managed to get around 24 to 25 hours of battery life with active noise cancellation on. And the headphones are quite lightweight as well. So thank you so much guys. This was a quick video on the Sony headphones. If you're looking to purchase the same, I'll link to same in the description from where you can go and buy it. If you're interested in more such videos, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the Trendy Vlog. I'll catch you guys soon in my next video. Thank you.